We want to bring people to heaven.
Amen.
Church is just like all of us here. But it makes no sense to be presently here, but never present in the presence of God in our future. Church may become a mega church, thousands of people following their religion. But we do not want to follow religion. We want to follow our relationship with God.
Amen.
That's why we are not after for quantitative growth. We are after for the quality of believers whom they will dedicate themselves towards God. That they will declare that the moment that I become a disciple of Jesus Christ, I will proclaim that Jesus Christ will be my Lord forever. And that is how faithful God is in our lives. That's why at this point in time, my dear brothers and sisters, I want to pray for those people who are here, if you want to surrender your life to Him.